Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive into your ultimate high-yield blueprint to absolutely crush the CUET UG exam. With the exam hitting between May 11th and 31st, the clock is ticking fast. Let's get moving.
First rule, stop cramming huge new topics. Seriously, shift all your energy to revisions and mock tests now.
Check out this 15-day crash plan. It's your exact roadmap to pivot from total panic to fully prepared. Aiming for that top-tier 850-plus score? You absolutely need killer accuracy and mastery of past papers.
For tough domains like physics or chemistry, you've got to stick religiously to this daily 3-step study routine.
Top scorers all say the exact same thing. Mastering your NCERT textbook is literally the whole ballgame.
So zero in on high-weightage gold mines. We're talking modern physics, named reactions, and line-by-line NCERT reviews.
Dealing with maths? Combat slow solving and silly mistakes by knocking out 25 timed questions every single day.
Don't sleep on English. Practice daily reading comprehension, editorials, and vocab to totally maximize your easy points.
When testing, deeply analyzing 10 mock exams is way better than just blindly taking 40 random ones. Try taking one full mock daily, then spend a solid hour or two analyzing and logging your mistakes. Keep an error notebook. Tracking your wrong concepts and time management fumbles is a total game changer for your score. Now, entering those final 10 days, absolutely do not start learning completely new chapters. Just don't do it. For the last 5 days, limit yourself strictly to formulas, highlighted notes, past questions, and getting good sleep. Seriously, previous year questions from 2022 to 2025 are absolute gold. You've got to solve them repeatedly. And speaking of sleep, please skip the all-nighters. 7 to 8 hours actually boosts your testing accuracy. Definitely utilize top question banks and resources, but always prioritize your NCERT books above everything else. Finally, the big day. Carefully pack your admit card, a valid ID, and a passport-size photo. The roadmap is clear, but here's the real question. Are you ready to execute this and crush CUET?